guys, welcome to another episode of Ignited Garage. Now today I'm going to work on that thing. I'm going to do the power steering pump, and I've got to do a few other little things. I think just the power steering pump for tonight, and I'm going to give you an update of what I'm doing with the drift car. Hopefully, since season's over, I'll be able to work on it more and show you guys a lot more what I'm doing. I get more confident in my filming and talking a lot clearer. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm going to set this up so you guys can watch. So if you guys want to do a power steering pump, there's 4 bolts down here. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And first you got to take the belts off and then do the rest of the stuff. So hope you guys enjoy this. So what I'm doing, guys, is some bolts. There's a bolt here, right there. There's a bolt down there where my finger is, and then there's one back in here and one right there. So I'm gonna take those out, take the pump off, switch pumps. Hopefully it's the same thing, and then be able to have my truck back. So after you do all the bolts, guys, the pump will slide down. It's no big deal. But there's 2 ground lines on this bolt. 2 grounds. One here. Sorry, doing this one hand. One-handed. There's a ground right here and a ground right here. Be careful. Those things like to break off. If they've been sitting for too long, they'll break off. And then you can undo the lines. You're gonna have fluid all over the place, just to let you know. Then you can bring it up here. And then I don't recommend doing this. I'd say get the actual bolt or the wrench for right there. 9/16 or 14 mil. Bigger than 14 mil, so it's a 16 mil. I don't have a 16 with me right now, so I just use a good old vice grips. Thank you everyone who's subscribed. You guys are awesome. Yeah, drifting season's over. Sucks, but there's still maybe one more event. Maybe. You guys are renting the track, so. Alright, well, I got that loose. A little enforcement. Don't do it this way. I highly recommend going to get the actual size wrench. I can't find my 16. I think I lost it at the track one day. So, that sucks. But, anyways, that's besides the point. Get the line off. Make sure it's the same as the other one, because if it's not, I'm gonna be screwed. So, take the pump, and I think it's the same. Same bracket, same pump. That's a little, just dirt. So I'm gonna take the hard line off that one and the other line and put it in. Well, I'll be back. Okay guys, well the new pump's in, well new from the junkyard, pump is in. Now I gotta tighten up that clamp down there. Tighten that clamp up right there. Put some fluid in it and pray that the freaking thing works. So I'll be back. I'm gonna do that and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, I put the stuff in, I put the fluid in. Now let's start her up. It's been a while since I started this big ugly beast of a truck, so seems like she's running fine. I just hope she doesn't leak. Because what it's been doing, it was leaking fluids. So, lots of power steering fluid. If you want to bleed the system, you gotta keep turning the wheel back and forth, back and forth. The only way I'll be able to find out, excuse me, is if it freaking leaks the fluid overnight. I'm gonna take this thing, possibly gonna take this thing to work tomorrow, so. And I think work's getting a little annoyed with me leaking fluids all over the place. Not bad, I got the pump for 40 bucks, so gotta possibly trash that old one, or I don't know. The old pump's from 98, 99 when it was made, so no more leaky, woohoo! Anyways. Wow, this is a boring little episode, but it is what it is. Whoa, I got a black spot on my head. But, like I said, if you guys want to see more videos like this or drifting stuff, I know season's over, but I want to travel next year for drifting. Even if it's filming. I want to film all over the place. I want to get my name out there. I want to meet you guys. I met a few people this weekend. It was freaking awesome. I had dirt right here on my face, but oh well. Next thing I had to do for this truck is get the transmission fixed. I had to take it to a shop, see what they say, because they're saying it might be a internal, which if it's internal, I guess I'm getting a new transmission. So Is what it is. I gotta stop saying is what it is. I'm gonna take the truck for a little ripperoonie. Test the pressure or power steering fluid, and go from there. My hat is freaking filthy. And I'll grab the car, park the car over here, and put the truck where the car is. Just because, oh, brakes are wet. Just because I want to take this thing, I want to see if it's going to leak. So, hope you guys enjoy these little weird videos. I enjoy doing them, so I'll be back in a few, guys. Well, guys, as you guys just saw, I just put the power steering pump back in. Now, yeah, it's been a few days since I filmed that, but we have no leaks, which is perfect. So, what I'm gonna do is, I just got back from work and I took the truck to work, and where it usually leaked, it don't leak no more. So, that's a good sign. Now, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was something different for me. And I want to thank you guys for watching, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Try and share with your friends, your family, whoever you want. Try and get my name out there. It means a lot to me, and it'll be a lot better once I get better and bigger and all that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys on the next one, and have a good day, guys. Later.